Teachers qualified to ordain noble sons. Ordaining and bringing up pupils in Buddha Sasana is a serious matter. Noble sons ordained by unskilled bhikkhus who failed to point out minor and major mistakes committed by the pupils give necessary advice to send them on the correct path and improve them by teaching the Dhamma Vinaya will go on to the wrong path and result in the deterioration of their status in this and the world after. Bhikkhus who ordain others and fail to train the discipline their pupils according to the Dhamma Vinaya commit a grave injustice to their pupils. Therefore, the Tathagata did not grant permission for all bhikkhus to have pupils. Anujanami bhikkhave vyattena bhikkhuna pati balena desa vasena va atireka dhasavasena va upasampadetam Nisayam Dedatum. Only the learned, capable bhikkhus who have passed 10 years or more after higher ordination are granted permission to have pupils. If an unqualified bhikkhu becomes a preceptor, upadhya, and ordain others, it will be an offense. The Tathagata on many occasions and in many ways stated the qualities of people suited and unsuited to become preceptors and bring up pupils. They can be seen in the Mahakandhaka of the Mahavagga Pali. A bhikkhu who has spent at least 10 years after higher ordination and is capable of training the pupil in Tadas, Khandakaya and Dhamma Vinaya can dispel any discontent as it occurs, can clear doubts and may occur on any matter with the help of Dhamma Vinaya, nurse the pupil to arrange for nursing if he becomes ill, is suitable to ordain pupils. It must be said that according to Vinaya, the lack of large temples, rich benefactors, many temples, land and paddy fields, and sufficient wealth to educate pupils of Pirivenas and colleges are not disqualifications to ordain pupils. However, it cannot be said that according to the present day conditions, bhikkhus who do not have a place that they can control as they wish are suitable to ordain others. The teacher who ordains a noble son discipline him by advice, look into his welfare and improve him by teaching the Dhamma Vinaya is the preceptor. Upachayo bhikkhave saddhi viharikamhi patta chittam upatapesati saddhi vihariko upachayamhi pitu chittam upatapesati. As declared by the Tathagata, the preceptor must consider the pupil as his son. The pupil also must consider the preceptor to be like his father. Living with such mutual faith will develop them in this sasana.